So Frank Lloyd Wright liked flat roofs, and he liked thin lines between glass, which could be problematic because in that little space there between the glass and that line going across, there's really not much room for insulation. And you can see here, part of the problem with flat roofs is that they tend to pile up debris and snow and ice and whatnot, and they don't drain completely. They leave spots where water can pool. And back in the day when he did this, his designs called for tongue and groove 2x4s, so 1.5 inches of wood with tar on it. But apparently the more tar you put on it trying to keep it from leaking, the more the heat in the summer makes it expand and contract, leaving it leaking more. So when this house was about 50 years old and the current owner rebuilt it, he wanted to keep the profile as best he could of the flat roof, but he wanted it to not leak. So he replaced that tar over the 2x4s with a slightly sloped piece of foam insulation to give it a little bit of insulation. You can see, places over there where the more snow is melted than others, that it's not very well insulated even with that. But the insulation kind of gives the house roof a gentle slope, and he put an EPDM pond liner on top of that, so that instead of tar, which leaks wherever and expands and contracts the roof, this insulated pond liner, which is what we use on our house, our cottages and our living roofs and such, that if it does spring a leak, you can fix it a lot like a bicycle tire. So that makes life a lot easier. And it makes these buildings last longer. So pond liner and insulation on a flat roof for a win.